Hey guys, what is it? Do you want a drink on the shop? Yes, yes. Hey, what would you like to drink? Yeah, what would you like to drink? Would you like green apple juices for us and orange juices for discuss and enjoy? Okay. Good. I'll make it. Okay. I'll make the green one and you make the orange one. Okay. Okay, there it is. Let's give it to the customers. Yeah. Here's your juices. Oh, thank you. Look. Open your lids. Okay. Alright. Let's drink it. Ooh. Oh, it's yummy. Drink it. It's good. Okay. Drink yours. Oh, it tastes so good. Okay. Oh, yes, it's so good. Are you sick? No. Wait, let's smell it. Oh, it smells good. Oh, it smells good. And get your finger out of the camera. Anger. No, I'm not done. Disgusting. What? You got the wrong juice. I think you got the wrong juice. I can't get green apple. That's it. Give me my orange and get the green one back. Let's try it. Oh no, I need a tissue. No. Achoo. Achoo. You put boogers on my head. That's what you get. Okay, now you lose. Yeah, you lose. Yeah, you lose.